Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Cherno. There's no easy way to say this, but I'm starting a podcast. Okay, so this is basically a little announcement video featuring my cat as well here. Just to let you guys know that I thought it'd be a pretty cool idea to start a podcast to do with like programming and game development, game engine development, life, the usual topics. Everyone's doing podcasts these days. I feel like if you're driving somewhere long distance, having my voice in your car, would be pretty cool. No, but all jokes aside, a podcast is something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and I finally decided to find the time to actually do it. It's going to be called the Cherno podcast. I have very, very little experience in doing podcast. I've never done a podcast before, so this is going to be, we're going to see what happens here. But basically, it's not going to just be me. At least my goal is going to be to have a guest on every episode of the podcast. And in fact, we've got a guest for the first episode. Podcast itself will be live streamed on my Twitch channel. There'll be a link in the description below. And the first episode is going to go live tomorrow at around 8:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Actually, if you go to twitch.tv/thecherno/schedule, again, there'll be a link in the description below. You'll be able to see when it's scheduled and what time that will be in your time zone if you wish to catch it live. And I think it'll be pretty cool to catch it live because I will be, interacting with the chat. Chat can ask questions. We can talk about some of the topics potentially the chat gives us. So if you want to be kind of, part of the whole experience, then definitely try and catch that live. Now, when the podcast finishes in the next few days, I'm going to be distributing it to other platforms such as YouTube, Spotify, probably, that kind of stuff. So you'll be able to catch it. If you miss a live stream, don't worry, you'll still be able to listen to the podcast. Of course, it's not a live only podcast. That would be weird. Anyway, I hope you guys will enjoy this new project of mine. And in fact, this first episode, I think, is going to be really interesting for those of you who are interested in programming, which, to be honest, should be like most of you watching this channel. So me saying goodbye didn't record in the original video, so I'm re-recording it now. I just couldn't leave that out. Hope to see you guys there. Twitch.tv/thecherno. Goodbye. Have a good day.